Let's see how to optimize OBS for a low-end PC. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Alright, the first step is to click on File. Go to Settings, then click on Output. Set Output Mode to Advanced. Click on Recording. For type, select Standard. For recording format, change it to MP4. For audio encoder, select this option. For video encoder, choose X264. For rate control, set it to CBR. For bitrate, enter 4500, but if your PC is a bit better, I'll show recommended values on screen. For CPU usage preset, set it to superfast. For profile, change it to high. For tune, select zero latency. Here, you'll copy and paste the values I'll leave in the description. And that's it.